Serenity by CHERRIUKI, Special Treatment version 3, starts with periwinkle pearls that we have sprinkled on the blue areas of her dress. So simply place it on the bluest areas that we see on her sleeves as well as on the bodice, trailing down towards the bottom of her dress. For version 2, we add electric diamonds sprinkled in the whitest areas in the sky. These represent the specks or the stars in the sky, together with some that are also placed on the moon. So as you can see over here, we've got the electric diamonds on the specks in the sky, right over here and here, and also placed on the lightest areas of the big moon. And finally, for version 3, we now add some ice crystals that we have sprinkled on the top corners of the painting. So these would be on the top dark blue areas in the sky. So those are ice crystals. Aside from that, for version 3, we've also added old gold diamonds that we have placed on the jewel on her forehead. So once again, for version 3 of Serenity by CHERRIUKI, we've got periwinkle pearls, electric diamonds, ice crystals, and old gold diamonds.